Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find the frequently asked questions in the Condor Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the FAQs button. And as you can see, here are different categories on different problems that might occur. And under that, there are the top questions that comes up most of the times. So if you want to know an answer for like how can I change my booking, then just read the description below. But you can also choose from the categories like questions regarding baggage, and here are all the questions that comes up. And for example, what foods can I import? And as you can see, there are a website that you can check regarding this question. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.